Well, good morning. We're off this morning to Windsor Marina to see what's going on with my boat, and we're going off in this little baby, which is my new Black Beast. So, a bit more later on. So here we are at Windsor Marina, and it's all going on at on Lady Di, because I've got Fran and Neil Davey valeting the boat, and they've already washed the outside, and you can see it looks absolutely excellent. And it's rather lovely. And then I think when we get to the rear here, we'll find the phenomenal Mr. Tim Bird actually working on the signage that's going to go on the boat. So there we go. So now the sign writer has done his work, and I think you'll agree that it looks really good. I'm very pleased with it, and Fran and Neil have been cleaning the boat, but Fran's still doing the decks and what have you. But all in all, I'm really quite pleased with it. So let's see if I can get a shot of the rear of it. There we go. And that's it.